Hello everyone, this is your instructor, Jacob, and I wanted to take a quick moment to review this week's assignment, the Brainstorming and Beginning Research Worksheet. It may look intimidating, but I believe if you read through the instructions carefully, you'll find that it is pretty straightforward. The purpose of this assignment is to get you going on writing the expository essay for this course. You will identify your topic, brainstorm on it to come up with ideas that could become the subtopics of your paper, and finally get the ball rolling with your research. You will also have an opportunity to get familiar with the GCU library and find some articles that you can use in the development of your topic throughout the writing process. The first step is going to ask you to identify your topic. Please pick a topic from this list that interests you. I would point out that what is important about this paper is not so much the topic that you're writing about, but the journey that you are about to go on. The goal of this paper is to impart on you the skills you will need to put together a strong academic paper, regardless of the class you're in and the topic that you're writing about. Once you've selected a topic, you will begin a free write, which, if you recall, we covered in this week's discussion question 1, and we reviewed in the writing process media piece. The ideas that you develop there are important to you, as you will carry them down to part 3 and pair ideas with your topic using "and" to create Boolean phrases. These Boolean phrases are important as they will help narrow the scope of your research so that the articles that you find are the ones that are most relevant to what you are trying to write about. Once you have done this, I would like you to take and identify 3 subtopics. Now, subtopics are going to be the main points that are used and that you cover in the body of your paper to help you develop your topic thoroughly. While your subtopics may change in the coming weeks, this exercise will help you get moving in the right direction. Part 5 is going to take you on a bit of a scavenger hunt through the GCU library. The purpose is to give you the opportunity to move around and get comfortable with the library, its layout, and the resources that you're going to be using often. Finally, in Part 6, you will be finding articles that pertain to your topic and that will come in very handy in Topic 2. While my hope is that the articles you find here in Part 6 will be able to be used throughout the course, please keep in mind that you are not bound to these articles for the rest of the class. In other words, if you find out in the coming weeks that some or all of these resources are not going to work, you can absolutely go out and find different ones. Okay? Thank you all so much for taking a moment to review this video. Please read the instructions carefully and approach this worksheet slowly. Take it section by section. If you have a question or a concern, please reach out to me in your private form, shoot me an email, or give me a call during office hours. Have a great rest of your week, and I will see you around class. Thank you.